In case you are building a high-end gaming computer or a workstation for productivity, then you must be going with powerful components for the same. And when you are using high-end computer components, keeping them properly cooled is quite important to ensure that they are performing at their best. So, if you want to go with a computer case made for high-performance usage, check out all the best Corsair cases present down below that have been chosen based on these factors. In this video, we discuss the 5 best Corsair PC cases. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D Super Tower Case. Corsair primarily offers mainstream computer cases which are fairly affordable by most, except for its flagship Obsidian cabinet series, which offers pretty much everything you could want from a computer case, and then some. This Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D Super Tower computer case happens to be the flagship cabinet offered by Corsair. It not only supports SSIE, eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, but also offers an additional secondary Mini ITX motherboard for installing up to 2 computer systems inside the single computer case. Since this is such a large-sized computer case, it even supports up to 180mm tall CPU coolers, 400mm long GPUs, and 225mm SUS. You even get a total of 6x 2.5-inch and 5x 3.5-inch drive bays inside, which certainly makes it a highly versatile computer. The best thing about this flagship Corsair case has to be its cooling support. Apart from including 3x 120mm RGB fans in the box, it allows you to install up to 8x 120mm front and 3x 140mm top. You can also install up to 2x 480mm front and a 420mm top radiator in this case, which makes it excellent for water cooling. This premium case comes with tempered glass on all sides. Cooling should not be an issue inside it. Number 2. Corsair Crystal Series 680X RGB ATX Case. Corsair's Crystal series of cabinets are slightly different from standard computer cases out there, which makes it perfect for cooling, as well as fitting larger computer components with ease. This Corsair Crystal Series 680X RGB computer case offers a great balance between design and cooling performance. This cabinet can be used along with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards if needed. Moreover, you also get the space for up to 180mm CPU coolers, 330mm long GPUs, and 225mm long GPUs. And since it even comes with 4x 2.5-inch and 3x 3.5-inch drive bays, this is quite a versatile computer case. This Corsair case comes with a side as well as a front tempered glass panel. But despite that, you get quite amazing cooling performance from it, since it allows you to use 3x 120mm included RGB front fans, 2x 140mm top, 2x 140mm bottom, and 1x 140mm rear fans. It also includes multiple front connectors including 1x USB 3.1 Type-C, 2x USB 3.0, and 1x combo audio port. Number 3. Corsair 4000D Airflow RGB Case. Corsair recently launched a completely new D series of cabinets, which have been quite popular as they offer quite a lot for the money, especially when it comes to cooling performance. This Corsair 4000D Airflow RGB computer case is most likely the best value for money option given here. As you would expect from any other practical cabinet from Corsair, this one also works with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. But more importantly, you get a lot of space inside it, which allows you to install up to a 170mm tall CPU cooler, 360mm long GPUs, and 220mm long SUS. That being said, it only offers 2x 2.5-inch and 2x 3.5-inch drive bays, which is a bit limited considering the given size. However, this Corsair cabinet is still amazing for cooling performance since you can install up to 3x 120mm front, 2x 140mm top, and 1x 120mm rear cooling fan. You can also install a 360mm front, 280mm top, and a 120mm radiator at the back. More importantly, since it features a tempered glass side panel and a mesh front intake, the cooling performance offered by it is quite amazing. Number 4. Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Case. Corsair also offers slightly larger and more premium offerings under its iCUE lineup of computer cases that you can consider if you are looking for a great-looking cabinet. The Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB computer case is one of the best-looking options for all those who are fans of RGB components. Other than looking amazing, this Corsair case is also quite practical and versatile since you install ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards inside it with ease. It even supports other hardware devices like up to 170mm tall CPU coolers, 360mm long GPUs, and 220mm long SUS. And similar to most other Corsair cases that we have discussed till now, this one also comes with 2x 2.5-inch and 2x 3.5-inch drive bays. But the best thing about this Corsair case is that you get 3x 120mm included RGB front fans, along with the support for 2x 140mm top and 1x 120mm rear fans. With this cabinet, you also get the space to install cooling radiators with sizes like 360mm front, 280mm top, and 120mm rear radiators. Number 5. Corsair 5000D Glass ATX PC Case. Corsair also offers a slightly premium and definitely much larger case offering under its D series of cabinets that can be a great option for those who want something more than the 4000D stated previously in this list. The Corsair 5000D Airflow RGB computer case is a great option if you want a lot of space and cooling for your high-end computer components. Unlike most other standard-size Corsair cases out there, this one supports multiple motherboard sizes including eATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX. Not only that, but you can even install up to 170mm tall CPU coolers, 400mm long GPUs, and 250mm long SUS. You can also expect amazing cooling performance from it, which is made possible thanks to its support for 3x 120mm front, 3x 120mm top, 3x 120mm side, and 1x 120mm rear fans. Next to all of these fan mounts, you can also install a 360mm front, 360mm top, 360mm side, and a 120mm rear radiator, which makes it excellent for cooling. All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.